Alright, take two. The first video I imported to my phone and I forgot that I had pasta and sauce left over and it was all over my mouth, so I'm just like, fuck. I had to go to the bathroom, wash my mouth, and yeah. So tomorrow they're calling for a big fucking snowstorm, like a big one, and it's called, it says plan ahead, and I'm not using a tripod because my fucking tripods are broken. It says plan ahead, Ontario faces triple threat. Well, let me zoom in to 1.5. Plan ahead, Ontario faces triple threat of snow, rain, and wind as Texas low approaches. I'm like, for fuck's sake. And then there's that there. And I'm like, oh, for fuck's sakes. Really? Ay. So, yeah, there's that. And if I zoom in here, oh fuck. If I zoom in here, oh fuck off, low battery. There's a little bit of snow on the ground, but yeah. All right, but that means I will get to use my new shovel tomorrow. Let's see. And bowling starts tomorrow for Special Olympics, so yeah, hopefully it's not canceled. If it is, I'm gonna be fucking pissed off. Let's cross our fingers it's not canceled. And right now it is 2:35. Damn, just missed 2:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, January the 8th. And I'm not working until the 10th because my boss is on vacation. He comes back the 10th and I'm probably going to be working the 11th or the 12th, so, which is the Thursday and Friday, so yeah. Alright, that's it for now. Peace.